Welcome to the complete guide on the KBC Bank Student Credit Card. If you're a student in Ireland or Belgium looking to start building your credit or simply need a convenient way to manage your finances, this card might seem like the perfect choice. But before you dive in, it's crucial to know what you're getting into. So, let's break down everything you need to know about the KBC Student Credit Card. First, let's talk about the advantages. Low interest rates for students. KBC offers a competitive interest rate, which is lower than many standard credit cards. No annual fee. One of the biggest draws is that the KBC Student Credit Card does not charge an annual fee, which can be a game changer for students on a tight budget. Easy application process. You can apply online through the KBC website or via their mobile app, making it simple and quick. Access to useful perks. This includes things like contactless payments and access to online banking services where you can track your spending and payments in real time. Now, the disadvantages. High fees for late payments. If you miss a payment, you'll face substantial penalties, so it's essential to stay on top of your due dates. Limited credit limit. As a student card, the credit limit is usually lower, which might not be sufficient for large or unexpected expenses. International fees. Using the card abroad may come with additional charges, so be mindful of this if you plan to travel. Let's go over the services. KBC's online banking platform makes it easy for cardholders to manage their spending, set alerts, and even block the card in case of loss or theft. They also provide customer support through their app and by phone, ensuring you have assistance whenever needed. When it comes to the costs, aside from the lack of an annual fee, you should be aware of other potential costs. Interest rate on balances. If you don't pay off your balance in full each month, interest will apply. While this interest rate is low, it can still accumulate quickly. Cash withdrawal fees. If you use the card to withdraw cash, expect to be charged a higher interest rate or a flat fee. This is something many cardholders overlook, so try to avoid using it for cash withdrawals. In short, the KBC Bank Student Credit Card can be a great financial tool for students if used responsibly. It offers low interest, no annual fee, and useful online services. But watch out for those hidden costs like late payment fees and charges for international use. Ready to get started on your student credit journey? Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more insights like this, hit that like button, and leave a comment if you found this breakdown helpful.